All right, everybody, this is the last writing assignment of semester one. Let's go over your requirements for your final writings assignment of the semester. Okay, so you are expected to answer both questions in full paragraph form with topic sentences, adequate supporting details and adequate supporting details from the play. For each question, one of your pieces of evidence must be a properly introduced and cited direct quote from the play. You should also have other details and examples, but they do not need to be direct quotes. Now, before I go over this, let's go to the classroom and go over the resources that are available to you to ensure that you write a full body paragraph for this assignment, for these questions. So if you go to the modules in the classroom, the second module is the student success toolkit. If you need to know what a body paragraph looks like, click this body paragraph review. It goes over all the expectations of what you need to have in a well-structured body paragraph. Okay, it goes over how to develop a topic sentence, how to lead into your quotes, and what that should look like. If you are someone who struggles with writing, I do have for you a body paragraph graphic organizer. You can use this to help you structure your paragraphs for this assignment, okay? But you'll note that you should have about 8 to 9 sentences in your body paragraph, okay? Let's go over the questions. For question 1, you're going to write one full, well-developed paragraph, and you're going to select one character to focus on. It could be Benedict, Beatrice, Claudio, Hero, Leonardo, Don Pedro, or Don John. And you're going to argue. I want you to consider your selected character. In Much Ado About Nothing, what way does your character use language the most? So, do they take control, manipulate, criticize, or lighten the mood? So you're going to pick which one they use the most. And then you're going to write a full body paragraph supporting your ideas. Okay, if you need help getting started, you can use this sentence starter right here. Then for question 2, you're going to write another well-developed paragraph. And I want you to consider the expression words can kill and reflect on the meaning of this as it relates to the play or as it relates to our lives. So you're going to pick one of these options and you're going to write a full paragraph, develop a full paragraph that answers all the questions for whatever option you pick. Option 1, you could write about who in the play is negatively impacted by the words of someone else. How does this come about? What is the result? What is the harm in it? And what is the literal or figurative death in it? Or you could pick option 2. Option 2, you write about who in modern society is negatively impacted by the words of someone else. What are the specific circumstances involved? And what is the impact or the result? What is the harm in it? And is there any literal or figurative death involved? So once you decide which option you're going to pick, you're going to write a full body paragraph here in this box. Okay, you're going to focus all the questions that correlate with the option you've selected, and you need to make sure that your paragraph has a topic sentence that communicates the overall main idea of the paragraph. Make sure you're using textual evidence from the play to support your ideas. Then finally, you're going to answer these 2 questions in complete sentences. A full paragraph is not required for this final third part, but I do need to see evidence of thought here. So you're going to answer the questions, why do words have so much power when used against someone? And how can you figure out what is rumor and what is truth? Okay, I look forward to reading your responses to this assignment. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out and I am more than happy to help. Thank you so much, and I look forward to reading your work. Thank you.